Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect to RDS. First, ensure your RDS instance is running and accessible. We'll then focus on configuring the network settings, specifically your security group, to allow inbound connections. This easy method will get your application talking to your database quickly and efficiently, avoiding common setup hurdles. To configure your security group, navigate to the EC2 dashboard and select Security Groups. Create a new group, giving it a descriptive name. Add an inbound rule for the specific port your database uses, often 3306 for MySQL, and set the source to my IP. Finally, attach this newly configured security group to your RDS instance. Now, let's connect your application. Find your RDS instance endpoint and port number in the AWS console. Use this information, along with your database username and password, in your application's connection string or a database client like dbeaver. Ensure your application's code correctly references these details for a successful and secure connection to your database. If you encounter connection issues, first double-check your security group rules to ensure your IP address is correctly allowed. Also, verify your database credentials and confirm network accessibility from your application's host. Remember, a secure and reliable connection is key. For more great tips and deals, including a link to Grab Little Tree's black ice for your car, check the description below. We hope this guide helps you connect to RDS with ease.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.